In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a video editing platform known for its user-friendly interface and robust range of editing tools, perfect for both beginners and advanced users looking to enhance their video content. So let's dive right in and go through the steps together. First, let's navigate over to the Clipchamp website. Simply open your web browser and enter the URL provided on the screen or search for Clipchamp in your preferred search engine. Once you've accessed the main page, you'll need to sign in if you already have an account or sign up if you don't. The sign-up process is straightforward, requiring just basic information. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Clipchamp dashboard. Now let's move on to bringing our project to life. Next, you'll want to head over to your media library. This is where all of your video files will be stored and ready for editing. You can do this by simply clicking the Media tab. Within this section, you'll see an option to upload your videos. Hit that, and you can either drag and drop your video files or browse your computer to select them. Once your video is uploaded, it'll appear in your media library. Now comes the fun part. Now let's focus on starting your editing project by clicking on your video. This action will take you to the timeline view where you can make various edits. Here you'll notice drag handles around the video, typically found at the edges. These handles are going to be your primary tool for resizing. By clicking on them and dragging outwards, you can stretch the video to fit your desired dimensions, making it larger to meet your creative vision or the specific requirements of your project. This feature is especially useful for adjusting aspect ratios or ensuring your video fills the desired frame. And just like that, you're done with the essential steps to get started on Clipchamp. While these are the foundational moves, there's so much more you can explore within the platform. From trimming and cutting clips to adding transitions and effects, Clipchamp provides a suite of tools to bring your video projects to completion with a professional flair. That's it for this quick guide on getting started with Clipchamp. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and helpful for your editing endeavors. Dive in and experiment with all the creative possibilities Clipchamp offers. Thanks for watching and happy editing.